Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart. Well, Walmart and Friends. That's what we gonna call it, Walmart and Friends. Haul for this weekend. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this, leave this right here. I'm Shay. Shay with the pal. Pal. Let me take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure to smash like button to support your girl. And of course, like duh, don't forget to hype your girl up. And so as far as my Ibotta weekend, I think I need 15 offers for $1. It's nothing spectacular, of course. I was totally prepared to sit it out, like sit it out. But I did do a couple deals at Food for Less and basically knocked it out with that. So as far as today, because there's not a whole lot going on at Walmart, to be honest. Like there's like if this is the week you want to sit it out, because I know a lot of kids are going back to school, then yes, sit it out. Sit yourself down somewhere, literally. But I will share with you guys a few deals that are not a lot going on at Walmart. So I will be tossing in some deals from Sprouts, which I had to go do a return there and figured let's put a haul together since we're gonna be there anyways, right? And it's close to Target. How to go to Target. So we've got Sprouts, Target, a couple deals from Food for Less, which is a Kroger affiliate, and then I'm debating if I want to go to Vons and get the freebie. If you want to see what your girl got, you already have to do hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up.
All right, y'all. Let me first apologize for how late this video is going up. Josiah starts school on Tuesday, so this weekend was really busy for us. And so definitely apologize in advance for that. I'm going to also add some timestamps for the stores as well. So this first deal is on the Yassos. Y'all know it's my favorite ice cream. Well, Greek yogurt ice cream. They are priced at $5.48. Grabbing two is going to come to $10.96. We got $5 back on Upromise for buying two. We got back $1.50 for each on Ibotta and two on Fetch, bringing them down to only 48 cents each. All right, so next up is the So Good So You shots. We don't carry these in our area. I know we have one store, but they're out of stock. They're priced at $3.34. We have a free offer for aisle. We also have $1.25 back on Ibotta. I'm making this $1.25 moneymaker. All right, so this deal here is on the 4C Energy Rush on the little drink packets. These are priced at $4.68. We have an offer for aisle, making this absolutely free. I was really excited about this deal on the Molly Suds on the pods. They're priced at $12.97. For this one, we have two different offers on Social Nature. One is for $7, one is for $9. Now for this one, the first time I submitted it, I think I got the $9 offer. I resubmitted it again and got back the $7, making this a $3.03 moneymaker. All right, so this is going to be a bit of a mouthful, so please bear with me. Now, the offer for Fetch Reward was spend 40, get back 8, and I only need $12 and I think 7 cents to hit that. So these are the items that I grab. So the soft scrub, the liquid cleaner is $3.43. The little cubes are $3.77. The price of both is $7.20, getting back a total of $1.75 on Ibotta, and then $3.52 on Be Frugal, makes them 96 cents each. The Pure Rocks is $5.97. I want to thank Lee Gibson for sending me some hang tags. She sent me a $1 hang tag that I used. I brought that down to $4.97, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta, which makes that $2.47. And then last but not least was the per sale at $4.88. I had a $2 hang tag. I think Justin sent me those. I'm bringing that down to $2.88, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, makes it $1.38. All combined is $15.05, getting back 8 on Fetch, $5.75 on Ibotta, and $3.52 on Be Frugal. I'm making all products a $2.22 moneymaker. And really quick, I totally forgot. I did this deal with the Sweetums, and it picked up the $9 Molly Suds offer. So I actually got back an extra $9 for this deal, making that a what? 9, 10, 11, $11.22 moneymaker, which is even better. This deal here on the Sweetums, I was a little excited about it because there's two different offers on Social Nature. One is 75% back, one is 50% back. And then we have a free offer for WeStock. For WeStock, you do have to do a Walmart review, but the box that they provide for that is not a clickable box that you can add a link to, so I didn't. But it's priced at $17.82. Had a hard time finding this at the first store. I expected it to be in the sexual health box area, locked case. And that's where I found it at the second store, priced at $17.82. I did get back $12.74, which was the 75% back on Social Nature, plus the $17 $1.82 on WeStock. It's going to make this a $12.74 moneymaker. Now, I did try resubmitting the receipt in hopes it would pick up the 50% offer, but I don't know. I just must be lucky because whenever I go to this particular Walmart, I always find more degree. I need to stop buying it though. And they actually have new packaging, and it's still scanned for $2. So I grabbed 3 that they had. I thought the offer on Ibotta was $2, but it's $1.50, making them 50 cents each. I also found a ton of the Dove Men Care limited edition body wash on clearance as well. I actually grabbed some for $2 at one store. I already sold those, and then I found some for $2.50 again the next day. And so for this, I grabbed one at $2.50, getting back $2 on Fetch Reward, making them 50 cents each, limit of 5. Now, my Fetch account was, I think, $1.50 when you buy 2. Joseph's was $2 when you buy 1, so I went ahead and submitted on his account. So he finally made it over here to Target. Now, the First Farm deal, buy one, get one, 25% off, it is running through this week. This is only on the sticks. They're priced at 2 for $5. So for 4, you're going to pay $10, getting back $1 for 3 of them on Ibotta. And I also have a offer on aisle for 50% back, so I did that as well, getting back $5, making them only 50 cents each. So for this deal, I also had a free one for the loyalty part of it, so I went ahead and redeemed for that. I grabbed one at $16.99. I got that back for aisle. I also got back $4 on Ibotta as well, making this a $4 moneymaker. Super excited about this deal. I love to try new things, right? And so I wanted to grab this deal on the First Farm protein bars. They're buy one, get one 25% off this week. So the first one is $10.59. The second one is $7.95. I grabbed 4 of them and paid $37.08. I did get back $4.63 for each one on aisle, and then $16 on Ibotta. It makes them only 64 cents per box, which I thought was pretty awesome. I still need 2 more redemptions or 1 more redemption before I get the free one. So I'll probably go back this week and do another set of 2 as well. Getting these for free at Walmart through Ibotta made me such a fan of these, and so I couldn't wait to do this deal. Only one store carries them though. They're priced at $6.29. We have a free offer on Ibotta. It would be nice if the free offers reset, right? Making this absolutely free. All right, so I was super stoked when this deal popped up for us on, it popped up on Social Nature, but then it disappeared and then it came back. But it was like 3 or 4 different offers. You had to choose one. So I did happen to choose this, which was great because we also have the offers on Hummingbird as well on 2 specific flavors. They are priced at, well, when I got them, they were $6.99. They are on sale this week for $4.99. And so grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $9.98. Now this did G-word for me on Social Nature, and I got back the price of both of them, which would have been $4.99. And then I also am getting back $8 on Hummingbird as well, making them an $8 moneymaker. And then I've just remembered we have an offer on Fetch Reward. I think it's like 50 cents back when you spend $10. All right, we have made our way to these Sprouts. All right, so our first deal is on the Co-Aqua coconut water, price at $2.99. We have a 75-cent digital, which will bring it down to $5.23. Getting back $2.24 on aisle. We have an offer for Social Nature for a free one, getting back $2.99. And then we have 50 cents on Ibotta. So it's going to end up making that a $1.25 moneymaker. This is another deal your girl is super excited about trying, because if these taste anything like the Drizzlicious, then your girl is going to have a problem. So they're priced at $4.50. I didn't get to do this deal the last time I had this offer because our stores didn't have them, but I was super stoked to find them. They're priced at $4.50. You'll get that back through aisle, making this absolutely free. Okay, Perfect Bar Odie's are priced at $6.49. I'm getting back $3.50 on Ibotta, $2 on aisle. We'll make this only 99 cents. Another deal your girl is super stoked about. It's on the Day of Cheesecake Bites. They're priced at $8.99. There's an offer for Social Nature, making this absolutely free. Finally getting around to doing this deal on the root berry meals. I probably should have did it last time I was at Sprouts. So they're priced at $8.99. You want to grab 2. There's only 4 specific flavors that work as far as the Hummingbird offer, so make sure you check and see which ones qualify. That total is going to come to $17.98, getting back $8.99 through aisle. There's a buy one get one free offer, and you'll also be getting back $4 for each on Hummingbird, making them only 49 cents each. All right, so here's another deal. You know, your girl was super excited about. I feel like we've been getting so many different protein like ice creams. Like I want to do a try video and just try them all. This is on the Revo protein ice cream. It's priced at $6.99, getting back $3.50 on Merryfield, $2 on aisle, and $6.99 on Social Nature. It's going to make this a $5.50 moneymaker. So, of course, I did one for my account and one for Joseph's account, making both of them an $11 moneymaker. Next up, Food for Less. And so I had to do this deal. I did put up a community post on the Arm & Hammer baking soda. These are the cheaper ones. They're $1.29. They do have some that are $1.59 though, but these did work for me. And so for this, I went ahead and grabbed a total of 4 of them at $1.29. You'll pay $5.16, getting back $10 on one of the sister apps. Make sure you check them because I know that Swagbucks now says $2 for one, but that's because it's already clipped. So I unclipped it. So I'm gonna see if it resets for $5. And so yeah, so it's gonna make all 4 a $4.84 moneymaker. This is another option as well on the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. It's priced at $3.69. We do have a $1.50 digital. I'm sure you could stack it with a paper coupon as well. For me, it brought the total down to $5.88, getting back $5 on EasyBucks, $3 on Ibotta, and $1.50 on Checkout 51 is going to make both a $3.62 moneymaker. Big shout out to Amy for sharing these last 2 deals. This one here is on the Yoplait Go-Gurts. When David was little, he used to love these. I used to freeze them. Josiah is a whole entire no-go, so these are going to be going to my nieces and nephews. They're priced at $1.49 when you clip a digital. We also get back $1 on Ibotta, bringing them down to 49 cents each with a limit of 5. Also grab the D'Animals as well. These are also priced at $1.49, and we have a $1 digital that applies to 1. We do have printables. I didn't use printables, so I just grabbed 5 of them. But the first one's going to be free after getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, which is definitely not a bad deal. So with that being said, I will see you at home for the final breakdown. All right, y'all. So this is my haul for today. Well, this is part of it. The refrigerated part, I took a picture on the other side, so I'll pop that in. That's all of the refrigerated stuff because I could not squeeze everything on this table. And so to make it easier on me, that's how I did it. This is an amazing haul, you guys. This is so amazing. I'm so excited about it. Now, I did that with the Purcell, the Purox, the Soft Scrub. It picked up an additional offer for the Molly Suds for $9, so that was an extra bonus. The Cloud Chips, that picked up both offers. I only submitted that receipt once. The Molly Suds, the dishwashing pods, that I did submit the receipt twice, and it did pick up both offers. I think almost all of my receipts are processed as far as Social Nature. As far as aisle, I told y'all I always get really nervous with aisle when there's a ton of offers, and but everything is on my transaction page, which is good. I think there was only one thing that was no longer available, so I have to take one thing back. That was the fave, or flav. I think it was fave, the drink water flavoring stuff. I'll have to take that back. And then there was another item I have to take back as well to Walmart. Other than that, as far as aisle, everything worked out great. I still have a freebie for the, I think, protein bars, which I probably should have did today, but I didn't. This was a doozy, y'all. It was a doozy. I know a lot of y'all asked me, how do you do it? How do you keep track of everything? There's so much, and it's super overwhelming. But I will tell you this, it's more overwhelming for me as a creator than it is if I was just a regular person just going and doing deals. This would be a walk in the park for me because I wouldn't have to necessarily keep track for a purpose of sharing it with you guys. I would just go do the deals. But it is a headache, I won't lie, because it's a lot, especially hauls like this. It involves so much, and you want to make sure that you don't leave any money on the table. You want to make sure that you're getting credit for everything that you're submitting for as well. And so I write everything down. All right, I write things down. I keep a checklist, making sure that I'm getting credit for everything. I do a lot of screenshots as well, and that's what works for me. As far as coupons I used today, I just had the Purex, the Purcell. Those coupons worked perfectly fine. I did buy more of the Dove Men Care because body wash, Dove especially, sells really good for me, and I sell those 2 for $9. And I bought a bunch a few days ago, and they all sold, and so I went and I bought more. I'm only including the ones for this haul that were where I got rebates back, which was just the 5 you see there, but I did get more. And I think that's basically it. I can't wait to try those birthday cake rice cakes over there. I'm so excited. I want to try the cloud chips too, but I did not like the popcorn at all. I was like, it just tastes like they got regular popcorn and they flipping dead ass put a scoop of protein powder in there and shook it up. That's what it tastes like. I didn't like it. Let me know if you've tried it. I didn't like it. The air puffs things that we got from Dollar Tree, now those right there, I fucks with those. These cloud protein, just give me some regular Dorito chips and I'll eat it with a protein shake and call it a day. But anyways, look, I'm rambling. So let me run through this really fast. So everything that you see here retails $264.03. I had $11.25 in coupons. This brought the out-of-pocket down to $252.78. I'm walking away with $77.68 from Social Nature, $66.96 from Aisle. Ibotta was $54.39. Bet You Award $18.50. WeSock should be $17.82. Hummingbird $16. Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox was $10. Merryfield $7.04. Easy Bucks was $5. Be Frugal $3.52. And last but not least, Checkout 51 was $1.50. So we walk away with a total of $298.41 in rebates, you guys. We got back $300 in rebates. What? Like, for those that don't be rebating, oh my gosh, that is crazy. That is crazy. So I'm excited to try these protein products though. I ain't gonna lie. I've been trying all the drinks, y'all. Let me tell y'all, it's a hard pass for a lot of them. I don't care if they're free. I'm gonna have to hardly pass. No, I'm gonna hardly pass. I don't think that made sense. No, a lot of the drinks that we've been getting, y'all, I've been trying. I told you, I've been trying them. I want to know which ones I like and which ones I don't. Because if I don't like it, I don't even want it if it's free. And the ones that I've been trying lately, y'all, I don't even want it if it's free. So, yeah, I like to try stuff. I want to see if I like it. Because if I like it, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to get it when it's free. Or nearly free. Shit, hell, if it's a moneymaker, I'm going ham. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button on your way out the door. In the comments, let me see a muscle emoji if you make it to the end. And I will see you in the next video.